Hello, everyone. We're so excited to be here in the beautiful land of Sabah, a place bursting with vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty. But today, we're diving into something extra special, Sabah's mouthwatering cuisine. To make Sinalau Bakas, cut wild boar meat into chunks and marinate it with salt, turmeric, and optional spices like ginger or chili. Prepare a barbecue grill or open wood fire, and smoke the meat slowly over low heat using firewood or coconut husks for rich, smoky flavor. Turn the meat occasionally, cooking it for 1 to 2 hours until it's tender and slightly charred. Once done, slice it into pieces and serve hot. To make Hinava, start by thinly slicing fresh fish, such as mackerel or tuna. Marinate the fish in lime juice to cook it, then mix in grated ginger, sliced shallots, bird's eye chilies, and a pinch of salt. For an authentic touch, add grated bambangan seed if available. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes to blend the flavors before serving. To make Pinasakan, start by cleaning a whole fish such as mackerel or any local catch. Place the fish in a pot with water, adding ingredients like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and asam kaping, dried tamarind, or takab-akab, wild mangosteen rind, for sourness. Season with salt and let it simmer until the fish is cooked and tender. The dish often has a light, tangy broth, and sometimes vegetables like eggplant are added. To make Bosou Ikan, clean fresh fish, cook and cool rice, and optionally prepare bamboo shoots by blanching. Mix the fish with rice, grated ginger, salt, and pangi seeds, if available, then pack the mixture tightly into a clean, airtight container. Allow it to ferment in a cool, dry place for 5 to 7 days. Once fermented, the Bosou Ikan can be eaten as is, stir-fried, or steamed. Store in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. Tuaran Mee is a signature noodle dish from Sabah, known for its springy egg noodles stir-fried with a savory combination of chicken or pork, prawns, vegetables, and eggs. The noodles are lightly fried to enhance their texture, then tossed with garlic, soy sauce, and other seasonings for a flavorful finish.